Good morning, everybody. It's May 31st, 2019. It's 7:30 in the morning. 7:35, sorry. Okay, overnight while we slept and into this morning, I'm going to go ahead and get these earthquakes up to you. There was a 4.3 Leeward Island regions at 21.7 miles in depth. A 4.2 Southern Sumatra at 85.1 miles in depth. A 4.4 Hokkaido, Japan region at 21.7 miles in depth. A 3.4 Virgin Islands, 53 miles northwest of Roadtown, British Virgin Islands at 23 miles in depth. A 2.2 spit it out, California, Nevada border region, 17 miles east northeast of Coso Junction at 1 mile in depth. A 4.9 Northern Chile, that came in at 73 miles in depth. That was 38 miles southeast of Puter, Chile, Puter. Sorry, I'm losing my voice here. There was a 4.5 off the shore of El Salvador, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Puerto Rico region, and that came in at 18.6 miles in depth. The 3.4 Virgin Islands, 40 miles north of Charlotte, and that came in at 10 miles in depth. 2.2 Oklahoma, 6 miles northwest of Helena, and that came in at 1 mile in depth. 4.3 off the shore of El Salvador, and that came in at 20.5 miles in depth. Sorry, guys. A 4.0 southern Peru at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 eastern Turkey at 4.3 miles in depth. A 3.7 Peru-Ecuador border region at 3.1 mile in depth. A 4.1 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico at 12.4 miles in depth. A 3.0 Descentia Islands, Greece at 3.1 mile in depth. Now I might have problems with this, but we're going to try and pronounce this name, okay? There was a 4.6 off the coast of Michoacán, Mexico, and I think that's the way it's pronounced. I apologize. It's Michoacan, Mexico, at 6.2 miles in depth, and a 2.0 Oklahoma, 9 miles southeast of Hennessy at 2 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's what I've got. I'm going to go fix a cup of coffee and get my husband's breakfast fed. Get my husband some breakfast so he can eat. I'm just tired. Long night. God bless you and yours. Please be safe out there.